Hi and welcome, I am here with Realme 8 and I'll be showing you how to get an MI control center on this phone. So first, open Google Play Store and look for MI control center. Install this application, wait for it to install and then simply open it. Now there are several permissions you have to give to the application, for example, dual SIM, allow, accessibility, MI control center, OK, and now the last, notifications access, agree, there are several pop-ups, OK, yes I agree, and it should be working right now. And if we try, if we swipe our finger from the very top to the bottom, as you can see, we have now this MI style notification center. And that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.